Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy, guys. Thank you for following the channel. If you have not signed up for our Discord group, go to cryptomillion.co. We have a crypto Discord group for the beginner and advanced trader with a lot of information in there. Also, our top coin for today was AVT. AVT hit 146% gain today on 6/13/2022. 146% gain today on 6/13/2022. Now let's get into today's news. The big news today is we have seen a massive amount of crypto prices being in the red today. Bitcoin dropped to its lowest level in about a year. Bitcoin is at a level of lost 16% of its value today. You don't see that often. Bitcoin losing 16% of its value. So is this the bottom? And that's the question that everyone has. Is this the bottom? I'm just going to take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin 24 hour on the 24-hour percentage is down 16% in 24 hours. Very rare to see Bitcoin drop double digits in 24 hours, but it did today. So losing that 16% definitely sent shockwaves through the market. I think on the week, Bitcoin is even down further on the week because we were at like 31K earlier this week. Now we're at 22K. We actually hit $21,930 today. Now we're at $22,290 for Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is definitely feeling the market effects of what's going on in the general market, the bear market, right? Ethereum as well. Ethereum is at the price of $1,200. It hit a low of $1,165 where it has some support there. But Ethereum as well is down 16% in the last 24 hours, and it's been down for the week. Earlier this week it was above 1800. So we are seeing a falling prices of Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is normally very bearish for the general crypto market. So I want to go over what happened and how we can get more information. So Bitcoin tumbles most in 1 year as crypto cracks appear. Bitcoin hits $23,373. Bitcoin suffers its largest price drop in a year as signs emerge that the steep correction in crypto markets is hurting big industry players and putting extreme stress on digital asset projects. As of press time, Bitcoin was changing hands around $23,200, down 16% over the past 24 hours. Ether, the native token of the Ethereum blockchain, slumped 18% to $1,200. The latest leg down came as big crypto lender Celsius, which was as recently as April, claims to hold at least 150,000 Bitcoin worth about $3.5 billion at current prices, halted withdrawals. Nexo, another crypto firm, expressed interest in buying some of the platform's assets. It was a day of fast-moving deployments and announcements that all seem to confirm how bleak crypto markets are suddenly looking. The overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies fell below $1 trillion for the first time since early 2021, with big losses on tokens including Solana, SOL, and Doge. Crypto-related stocks led by MicroStrategy plunged. Binance temporarily paused Bitcoin withdrawals, reportedly due to technical issues. Crypto.com and crypto lender BlockFi announced job cuts. Tron's USDT stablecoin wobbled off its $1 peg. Sentiment for cryptos is terrible. Edward Moyer, senior market analyst at foreign exchange broker Onda, wrote Monday in an email briefing, Bitcoin is attempting to form a base, but if the price action falls below the $20,000 level, it could get even uglier. The pain in the crypto mounted as traditional markets also came under severe pressure. The Standard & Poor's 500 index tumbled 4% to a new low for the year. The biggest driver appeared to be renewed investor fears that the Federal Reserve will have little choice but to tighten monetary policy aggressively to tamp down inflation, which is running at its hottest of 4 decades. The next 2-day Fed monetary policy meeting starts Tuesday, culminating Wednesday with a statement in a press conference hosted by Chair Jerome Powell. Right now, Bitcoin is in the midst of a 7-day losing streak. As you can see, crypto investors are not buying the dip. Now, I want to look individually. So, Bitcoin falls below its realized price, but is it time to buy the dip? Two things I want to say about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has touched its 200-day moving average, and usually Bitcoin does not go below the previous high, which is around 20K. So that's a level to watch. 20K is definitely a level to watch. So, according to Bitcoin historical data, the market has now reached valuation metrics that show the price is severely oversold and perhaps near a bottom. Bitcoin has now fallen below its realized price, which represents the average price of every coin in supply based on the time it was last spent on chain. Okay? So, yeah. So this is a good sign that Bitcoin has reached the bottom, but that doesn't mean that it has, right? So Ethereum also has entered an oversold zone for the first time since November 2018. That was about 4 years ago. So Ether's price rebounded by nearly 400% after its RSI turned oversold the last time. Will this time be any different? Ethereum's native token, Ether, entered its oversold territory this June 12th for the first time since November 2018, according to the weekly relative strength index. Traditionally, analysts consider the asset to be excessively oversold after its RSI reading falls below 30. Furthermore, they also see the drop as an opportunity to buy the dip, believing the oversold signal will lead to a trend reversal. Ether previously oversold, reading appeared in the week ending on November 12, 2018, which preceded a 400% price rally, as shown below. This is where it was oversold before, and as you can see, we got a price rally up to 400%. But right now, the 200 weekly moving average for Ethereum is around 1,600. So if not, Ether could resume its downtrend with 1,120 serving as the next target and level corresponding with the token's 0.782 fib line as shown in the chart below. And that's what we're saying. We did hit this 0.786 line, and after that, there's not much support after that. So, independent analyst Vince Prince fears that Ether's later decline could extend until the price reaches 650. At the core of his downside target is a massive head and shoulders, a classic bearish reversal pattern with an 85% success rate in meeting its profit target, according to Samurai Trading Academy. And meanwhile, Glassnode's lead on-chain analyst, known now by his pseudonym Checkmate, highlighted a potential decentralized finance disaster that could crash Ether's price further into 2022. The analyst noted that the ratio between Ethereum and the top 3 stablecoins market capitalization grew to 80% on June 11. The principal risk here is that leveraged ETH collateral on DeFi loans getting liquidated in a cascade. That would be scary. Since most people borrow stablecoins by providing ETH as collateral, the potential of the Ethereum network becoming less valuable than the top dollar peg tokens would make the debt's value higher than the collateral itself. But there is nuance, as not all stablecoins are borrowed and also not all are on Ethereum. But nevertheless, the risk of liquidation is a hell of a lot higher than it was 3 months ago. So we're getting close to a big drop, possibly. With this chart, he's saying that ETH could head to that 650 area. The massive head and shoulders formation forecasted earlier for Ethereum has now been completely confirmed, he says. ETH is now headed toward the 650 area. Breakdown. So we definitely have this massive head and shoulders. 650 for ETH is possible. This is what Vince Prince is saying. Now, I don't know how true this is, but I definitely believe that head and shoulders, and with the market conditions that we have, it wouldn't be surprising if we saw ETH at $650 if you're willing to wait it out. But I would say ETH is really close to a bottom. 650 could be the bottom, 800 could be the bottom, 900, 1,000. But we're definitely getting closer to that bottom level, whatever it might be. However, I do think if it hits 650, it won't stay there for long. So I just want to keep you guys abreast of that to let you guys know that's what could happen. Okay. Some other things that happened today: Celsius token collapses 99% from its highs. The Celsius network halts all withdrawals. So, in a Sunday evening announcement, Celsius network said that extreme volatility in the cryptocurrency markets made it necessary to temporarily stop withdrawals and transfers. The decision was made in order to stabilize liquidity and operations while take steps to preserve and protect assets. Wow. Celsius network hit an all-time high of $8.05 almost exactly 1 year ago, but the token has witnessed a steady decline downward ever since. As of a month, Celsius valued between 80 cents and 96 cents and maintained the 70 cents level until a week ago, having dipped into the 40 cent range on Saturday. Then the altcoin instantly dipped from 35 cents to 9 cents as news of the network pause spread, putting it just down 99% from its all-time high. Celsius network has made up some of its losses, but remains 44% on the day with an asking price of 25 cents. Scary, right? Some people are saying Bitcoin's capitulation could be here. We're not there yet. There is People saying that it won't dip below 19,000. But at 21,000, 22,000, I would say is a good time to get into Bitcoin. And that's where we're at now. Look at the current price for Bitcoin. We're at 22,000. This could be a golden opportunity to buy Bitcoin, right? This could be a golden opportunity to buy Bitcoin. So definitely want to highlight that as well. That this is a golden opportunity to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you think Ethereum is really good, then this would be a good time to buy Ethereum as well. But we definitely are in the bear market. We could definitely see another 6 to 12 months of downside. Okay, but yeah, Bitcoin 20K and Ethereum, as they get closer, Ethereum gets closer to its bottom, whether that bottom is 11,000 or 1100 or 1,000, or if the bottom 600, we're getting closer to that level. Okay, guys. All right, guys, thank you for following our channel. Appreciate your support. That is your news update for today on crypto. Guys, I really appreciate your support of the channel. Have a good day. Appreciate your support. God bless America. And be good to each other. Okay, thanks.